In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the short-term volume and price oscillator indicator in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have this indicator added to your chart and know exactly where to find and adjust its settings. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The process is the same. Once your chart is on the screen, look toward the top of the platform for the Indicators button. It's usually near the top toolbar. Click on Indicators to open the Indicators and Strategies window. This is where you can search for and add any technical tools you want to use. When the Indicators window pops up, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is the quickest way to find exactly what you're looking for without scrolling through long lists. Click inside that search bar so your cursor is active and ready to type. Now, type short-term volume and price oscillator into the search bar. Take your time and type it clearly so TradingView can recognize the exact indicator. As you type, you should see a list of matching indicators appear below. When you see short-term volume and price oscillator in the results, go ahead and click on it once. As soon as you do that, the indicator will be added directly onto your chart. You'll usually see it appear in a separate panel below the main price chart, showing the relationship between volume and price movements in the short term. This can help you quickly spot momentum changes and potential shifts in buying or selling pressure. Next, let's customize it so it fits your trading style. On the chart, move your cursor over the indicator area. You should see a small settings icon, often shown as a gear. Click on that to open the settings panel for the short-term volume and price oscillator. Inside the settings, you can adjust things like the lengths of the moving averages, colors, and visual style. If you're new to this indicator, you might want to start with the default settings and just tweak colors or line thickness so it's easy for you to read at a glance. Once you're done, click OK or close the window and your changes will be applied instantly. If you haven't signed up for TradingView Pro yet and you want to follow along with the same tools and layout, use the link in my description to sign up and get started with the Pro features.